Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw right here from Bitfinex. And for this we click right here on wallet and then you click here on withdrawal. Then you have a lot of options right here how you can withdraw, and I think that you want to choose the cryptocurrency or bank transfer. You can also do this for the other three options. But if you want to do this for bank transfer, click on bank transfer, select right here the currency that you have standing right here on your account. I don't have anything standing on this account. That is why right here nothing is found. And then right here select how much you want to withdraw. Then click here on continue. Then you need to fill in your bank details and then he will withdraw that to your bank. So this is how you can do this for a bank. And if you want to do this for a cryptocurrency, it works exactly the same. But then what you need to do right here, select the currency that you want to transfer, select the amount. Then right there you need to add the address and then you can transfer it to another wallet. So this is how you can withdraw right here cash and crypto. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.